Adrian.
Ready? This one.
Fish and chip.
Very nice.
Today we are cooking with champions. We have with us Adrian, the Fab Fabinho,
Hello, chef.
Taki Minamino.
Hello.
My name's Dave Lyons. I'm one of the lead chefs here at Liverpool Football Club. So first of all, you've all played a very good part in winning the league this year. Are your family and friends all really proud of you?
This great moment, historical season for the club. Also for us, like a player, we won big trophies, as you know.
Yes, in Brazil we have a lot of Liverpool fans. They are really happy with the win of the team.
もちろん家族も友達も喜んでくれたし、何より自分もこのチームに来れたことをすごく誇りに思ってます。
Excellent, excellent. Fabs, do you like to cook? Do you enjoy cooking at home?
At home, I don't cook normally, so I don't have.
Nobody, I never try cook.
How about you, Adrian?
I will try it today.
As we're cooking with champions, we are going to see who is the champion at cooking the lovely vegetable gyoza. Everybody should have one of these. This is a box of all our ingredients. So first of all, cut with the tomato knife.
We use this one.
No, with your tomato knife. Tomato knife, Adrian, on the screen.
This one?
That's the one, Fab. Perfect.
I think it's good.
Perfect. The rocket is this one, Adrian.
The rocket.
And place
This
it in
one?
the bowl. That's the one, Taki. That's the one. The next ingredient for the salad is the radish.
Hey, how many? 1, 2, 3.
So next, sprinkle a little salt and pepper on. What's your favorite thing to eat?
My favorite food is sushi.
Spanish tortilla, paella.
Fish and chip.
A nice bag of ramen broth. Have you got your pan on the stove? So you have your pak choy, yes? We're going to open the gyoza, okay? So next, you place the gyoza in the pan.
Yeah, looking very good.
Very
Very nice.
Throw 5 gyoza in the broth.
One.
Throw the pickled carrot in.
Whole packet.
Yes, please. So we're going to pour the teriyaki in one ramekin and the sweet chili sauce.
Bobby!
I'm back. Like this? Is it good? I complete no battery. The gyoza is still good.
Yeah, good. So you should have Japanese mixed salad, gyoza ramen, shallow fried gyoza, and your sweet chili and teriyaki dip.
That's good.
Oh, look at that. So Taki, now you. Very good. A valiant effort, a fantastic effort by everybody. Taki, you are the champion of champions on Cooking with Champions.
Yes, Taki.
Your beautiful
Yes.
hat.
Well deserved.
Thank
I
you.
pass this hat to you now to wear with pride. Congratulations and well done for winning our champion cooking session.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.